A 3D printer can make toys, phone cases, even molds. Pretty cool, but what if it can print something far more important, like human organs?
Wait, what?
In biotech labs today, scientists are 3D printing tiny human organs called organoids. They're not fully sized yet, but they're already transforming medicine, helping test new drugs safely before risky human trials. The ultimate goal? Printing full-size hearts, livers, and kidneys from your own cells. No waiting list, no donor shortages, and no organ rejection. 3D printing may not just build toys, it can also save lives.